This right here is something that I think you could take advantage of. Any channel can take advantage of what I'm going to share with you right now. That no one is really doing, that we're doing, and that is, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Creators Lunch Table. We are once again outside. This is our third one doing outside because we can. We can. That's right, we can. We're outside, another beautiful day, a little breezy. Hopefully the audio will come through okay. But today, we are going to be answering another one of your questions here on the Creators Lunch Table podcast. And if you guys have a question and you are one of our subscribers, or even if you're not one of our subscribers, you could submit a question. Scotty, how do they do it?
Go to speakpipe.com/live video school. Once again, that's speakpipe.com/live video school. And I got to say, we've been getting a lot more messages.
Yeah.
And they're hard to kind of go through to pick because there's so many and they're so good.
They're so good.
So I'm excited for this one that we're going to dive into today. This one comes in from Mike G.
Mike
right.
G. So let's go ahead and hit it.
Hey gentlemen, this is Mike G with the Adventure Fitness Freedom YouTube channel. I apologize if there's any redundancy here. I'm trying this in a new browser. So the question, when I am working on a long edit and it takes me maybe a week before between edits, I've gotten a message from YouTube a few times in my analytics suggesting that I share an older video to keep my audience engaged on the community channel. So community tab, reshare an old video on the community tab. I'm curious if you guys think it's a good idea or bad idea if I'm able to keep up with my every other day posting schedule to also share or reshare old videos with the community tab, if there would be something negative about that, if the videos would be fighting each other. I feel like by instinct, it's probably still a good idea to use the community tab in between posts, but maybe not necessarily to reshare old videos if I've got new videos coming out every other day. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for everything you're doing.
Cool. Yeah, we got a lot to talk about on this one.
We haven't really talked much about the community tab. I know you love it.
I do.
And I think there's a lot that we can talk about as far as even scheduling some of those stuff, which I want to talk about that, which can make stuff even easier.
Yeah.
But why don't you start first with, let's go to the overview of community tab. What's your thoughts on it? Should people be using it? Does it hurt your channel? Does it help? What are you thinking?
I think it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. I would start using the community tab.
Yep.
You can actually look in your analytics and you can see what impressions you're getting from just the community tab, or the community, we call it the tab, the community
post
section post. It's actually a post. The one thing that we've been really finding is that the engagement is really good. It usually is going to go out to your subscribers though. And now that doesn't mean it can't go out to non-subscribers. It could probably go out to people that have at least maybe viewed a video, but they didn't subscribe yet. But it doesn't hurt anything, and it's so simple. But what I would start with, and we're going to get to Mike's question here. Yeah. But what I would start with for anyone right now is to start doing polls. Yeah. Polls are really just an easy way for someone to just click yes, click no, or select an option. We've done a bunch of different ones. It's also a great way to kind of start a conversation, get some engagement, but also learn more about your audience. And you could ask people too, like if you're in the fitness space, be like, how many days do you work out a week? Yep. And then just list them and then like have them do that. So I think that's a great thing. When we have shared a video though, it doesn't get the same type of engagement. No. Does it hurt anything? No. I don't believe it does. Nope. I think there's actually a couple of different algorithms, actually more than a couple. There's probably a few. Your live stream has a different one. Yep. Your shorts have one. Your posts have one. Your community post, your regular long form video. I think there's all different parts of the algorithm, and I think that community, yes, there could be some overlap. I don't think it's going to hurt anything.
No, and I think you brought up a good point with engagement. I think also you're signaling to YouTube if you get more engagement even on that. Not that necessarily it's going to always like push up your videos drastically, but I do think it's also showing, we talk about like binge-worthy content and people coming back to your page. That's a reason for people to stay on your page, right? If they're in that, they might go over to a video now, right? Because they saw a question that made them think, oh, I wonder if they did a video on this, right? Yeah. Now, like you said, engagement for us on there is more of like the polls. You've done even before where you put a picture post up, but it says, do this, right? And for us, it's our lead magnet where we'll have them, comment 100K or hooks, and maybe that was you. Maybe you commented that because you saw it from a post, right? And then we'll get 70 comments on that. But
that's gold right there.
When we do share a video, we might get 10 likes on it, where we do another one where it's an engagement poll and stuff, and we'll get 300 likes on it. So it's different.
Or 800,
yeah,
800 votes. We've had over 1,100 votes.
It's insane.
For our channel, which is pretty, it's 28,000 subscribers right now.
Yep.
But that's incredible.
No, it's awesome. And I think it also re-engages your subscribers, that it shows that you're being active without even having to post a video, which I think is great. And as far as like for Mike, like sharing and first of all, message just the picture of you getting a message, if you have it, from YouTube about. I've never seen that before.
No.
Saying to post old videos.
Yeah, it's encouraging you to do it.
I love that though. Now that makes me think, oh, maybe we should try doing that a little bit.
I think we should.
Because we haven't even done that.
No.
The thing I said earlier too, as far as scheduling, you can schedule posts.
I know.
So I want you.
I got to get better at that.
Yeah.
No, be honest.
No,
I do, because I did that for a whole week one
Yeah.
time, and I just let it go.
Yep.
And I did every single day.
Yep.
And I definitely saw an increase.
And also, if you don't want to spend a lot of time on it and you want to like easily go through it, you can easily use like AI, and you can generate these questions that are around your niche. Use ChatGPT, like use any of those to already have, maybe a prompt you want to use that's a poll like version.
It's a good video that we should do.
We should, on AI for that. Yeah, that'd be great.
All right.
So that's our next video.
That's gonna come.
But if you did that, and then again, you just schedule them out. I know you said like you're trying to fit them in between doing a video every other day, which is great that you're doing a lot of videos.
It's crazy.
But you could schedule that in one day, and I guarantee you it would maybe take you 30 minutes to post a whole week's worth, probably less if you already had the prompts in there. It would be easy. And again, it just re-engages your community. I don't think it's gonna necessarily make you like grow drastically.
No.
However, I will say, I think now's the time to get in there, because I don't think enough people are focusing, and I could see a shift potentially coming, where if they're trying to compete with like Twitter or the threads now from Instagram and stuff, and trying to be more of a community-based thing, because they put out the beta, which we haven't got accepted to YouTube. Can you like put us in there now?
I know, but I've heard actually
it hurts the channel.
Yeah,
we'll
vidIQ posted that they saw a huge drop.
That's crazy
in impressions. So I don't know.
That's interesting.
I guess we're gonna have to just kind of see. We don't have access to it, so we don't know yet.
Yeah, but if I was you, Mike, yes, I would share those videos, and I also would make sure you're putting polls out there. That goes for everyone. I would put polls out there as much as you can, just to boost that engagement a little bit. It's not going to hurt your channel. If anything, it would help in the long run.
So here's what I want to say, though. This right here is something that I think you could take advantage of. Any channel can take advantage of what I'm going to share with you right now, that no one is really doing, that we're doing. And is working like crazy in the community in the community tab.
There we go.
And that is, you should be putting up, go look at our community tab. You should be putting up a picture of some type of information and asking people if they want to download the thing. We have that in our community tab. And like you said, 70 plus comments.
Yep.
Okay, and those comments are email addresses. Yep. That is gold, guys. If you guys are coaches, if you're course creators, if you're online businesses, it doesn't matter, e-commerce, if you're not doing this right here is a $100,000 little tip I just gave you. Yeah. Because if you know any value as far as in an email list, if you know the worth, oh my gosh, community tab has been great for that. Yep. And I'll do it randomly. I'm like, you know what? If we get 30 people to comment, we get 30 people. That's 30 email addresses potentially on our email list. So that is one thing that I would do if you are not doing, and you will be miles ahead. And like I said, if you want to see that, just go ahead and just go to our community tab. If you want to see what that's like in action, let's give them a way that they can actually join our email list.
Yeah, if you want our 100K roadmap, the roadmap that we're following, like the lead magnet and all that stuff we're talking about in here.
Up to 60 grand already, by the way.
Yeah, we're on our way to our first 6 figures on a channel that's only 10 months old. If you guys want that, comment 100K down below. We'll send you that free download. You can have our whole roadmap. 18 pages, by the way.
18. Full of
fresh off the press.
Yeah, it's full of great info too.
Yeah,
we've had so many people download it, and so many people say like, wow, there's so much clarity. And what I just shared with you with the community tab like that right there is building what we call the R, the relationship part of this.
Yep.
We call it the ARM method, the
Yep.
attention, the relationship, and then the money.
Yep.
And that R is the relationship building, and community tab
Yep.
is right there for the taking.
Yep.
And like I said, go in our community tab, just scroll through and you'll see what we're doing. But if you want a copy of that, it's 100K, and you can go ahead and you can grab a copy of that. Comment 100K. All right, guys, that's it. That's going to wrap it up. As always, remember, we're here for you.
We believe in you,
We're rooting for you.
but you have to.
You must say it with me, say it loud, say it proud, take action. Woo!
All right.
All right.
We made it to the end. You made it to the end.
Made
You are
it.
here.
You're here.
We're not going to make you, wait 3 minutes until we get to what we want to get into,
Do you
which
have-
is the word. Yeah,
you
I
have
got
it?
a word, but
You got it?
actually, it's not necessarily a word.
But what if
It's
someone's
something-
here right now for the first time and like, what the heck are these guys doing now?
You got to go to all. No, I'm kidding. No. What we're doing right now is we're putting a little word at the end that is commented on this video that shows that you stayed to the end, and it's part of like the backstage pass of the creators lunch table. It's like you stayed a little bit longer when they called the whole classes in, and they said, hey, I'm going to give you guys an extra 10 minutes to come in. And now we're not going to be here for 10 minutes, but we're going to give you a little extra time. I'm going to do something a little different today.
Okay.
We're not going to say necessarily comment this word, okay? But it's baseball season. He just got some new Yankee gear.
Look at that, baby.
All right? And he's wearing
Look at
all the
that.
Yankee
Look
stuff.
at
We're
that.
Yankees fans.
Look at
I'm
that.
not going to make you comment Yankees because I know a lot of you
They won't
are
do
probably
it.
not
They
fans.
won't do it.
So comment your favorite MLB team down below.
What if they don't have an MLB team? Why don't we just have them do MLB?
That's MLB. Oh, right, MLB?
Yeah.
Fine. I mean, just go against my
Because
plan.
because
That's
someone's
fine.
gonna be like, I don't have a team, then they can't comment.
Yeah, then just pick the Yankees. That's it. Here, we're going to do that. No, that's what we're going to do. Comment Yankees if you don't have an MLB team and you're like, I don't know. You're with us now. You're a Yankees
Yeah,
fan.
you're
Right? You are
truly with
now
us.
a Yankees fan. That's going to be your new team, okay? If you already have a team, unfortunately, go ahead.
You can even put Boston Red Sox if you want to.
Oh, yeah.
You
Please
can
don't.
put them. You
Yeah.
can put them in there. Oh, and also, by the way, like this video.
Yeah,
That's the
especially-
other thing. We have to do a little bit more research on that. I actually have something that I got from our first 24 hours of our last video.
Yeah.
And you swipe through it, and it tells you all of the things of why it feels.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
And one of them, no, I just did it this morning
Was
again.
the
on that
likes,
new-
yeah.
This has gotten 90 more likes than your last video or your last highest video or something.
Interesting.
So something
that might
about
be a video coming up, guys.
Something about likes. So like the video for us. And you guys are here. So either put something in the comments of your team for MLB, or if you don't have an MLB team, Yankees, baby. All right. See you next time.